Thank you, guys. Alright, so the next one is probably really relevant considering all the protests that we have. This one's called One Earth. My take on songs is usually to let the audience interpret it however they want. So if you don't really want to interpret this as a climate change song, you don't have to. Up to you. But that's the way I look at it. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. This one's got a bit more of a reggae vibe. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are ready. Woo! You know what I'm saying? I'm not used to it. I'm not used to it. Yeah, right.